Did you know that one of England's kings died in the most horrific way imaginable, and it was all planned by his own wife? In 1327, King Edward II met his end at Berkeley Castle, in a murder so brutal it shocked medieval England. Edward was deeply unpopular. He ignored his royal duties and spent his time with male lovers like Piers Gaveston, which enraged the nobles. But the final betrayal came from his own wife, Queen Isabella. Isabella teamed up with her lover Roger Mortimer to overthrow her husband. After capturing Edward, they locked him in the dungeon of Berkeley Castle. But they faced a problem. If they simply executed him, it would cause a scandal. They needed his death to look natural, so they chose a method that would leave no visible marks. They inserted a red-hot poker through his rectum, causing internal injuries that killed him slowly and agonizingly. Officially, they announced he died of natural causes. This gruesome assassination became one of medieval history's most shocking royal murders, proving that even kings weren't safe from palace intrigue and betrayal.